Psalms 127. Selah. Except the Lord build the house, they labor in vain that build it. Except the Lord keep the city, the watchman watch it, but in vain. Thank you, it's just another day. Selah. It's just another day. Oh, thank you, Jah, me wake up this morning, roll out the earth before me start yawning. Turn round, bust a kiss for me darling. Tell her, say, honey, me a touching on the street. In the street, me see poor people bawling. Enough juvenile even yam from morning. Where the black woman future me asking, where the system a do fishy. No, big up the girl, them we fight it alone. And a race 2, 3, pick me pon them one. Where the man they no man know they own. Babylon have them in a jail. Big up the juvenile, them in a the street. Where you say them a fi make it and not touch the chrome. Them know how we fi claim our own. But Africa nah found no fool in a room. Get the youth we go on and on. Babylon where we go. Hungry from morning till night come. Them want we fi live our lives so. Them a wonder if the youth them a go stop. No, I wonder if the ghetto a go drop. No, them a wonder if we catching all the chop. No, I wonder if Jah turn him back. No, thank you, Jah, me wake up this morning. Stand up and smile out when we see it storming. Me vision say better days coming. Every day that me a pray. Me no see no job, nah no free education. But them did promise, none of them never give with nothing. It's like ghetto youth lost to the system. Every day that me a pray. No, big up the girl, them we fight it alone. And a race 2, 3, make me pon them.